are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.